That's a good start. Right, okay, I must be mad. But here's another package. And what have I done? What have I done? I couldn't say no anymore. I couldn't say no. Oh, I just had to get a Pro. I just had to get a Pro. Well, here we are then. Doesn't seem like 5 minutes ago I was opening up the other one. And I really did like the other one. I liked it so much. I know that sounds daft, but I thought I'm missing out here. I was really missing out. So sticky. Again, there's not going to be much in here. There's not going to be much in here. It's going to be very similar to the last unboxing. Very similar. Not much in here at all. Probably spare props. Spare props. Back in there, back in there. Here's the start of the show. This is what it's all about. And there she is. This there she is. It does feel a little heavier. Not sure it is. Meet Dave too. Yeah. Ton of stickers everywhere. Let's get them off. Is that thing on the back there? There's a sticker down here. And this thing, don't forget to take that out. Sticker on the back. Another uber lightweight battery. I think they're exactly the same. And there we have it. Dave. I'm sure he's well impressed with that. There we go. Thank you very much for watching. I promise this is going to be the last joint for quite a while. Yes. Very nice. Hello, Dave. I'm going to be out walking much after next week because I'll be on an operating table, but there you go. It is what it is. As 5/6 would say. His favourite saying. Right, that's it then. Toodaloo. Bye for now.